Hello, everybody. My name is Yosia Christopher, and today I'm from the senior academic class in EET, and I'm going to present my presentation about fake news. Firstly, um, what is fake news? Fake news is a misleading information that is presented as news. These kinds of news have the aim of damaging the reputation of someone or something. Secondly, what makes fake news spread faster? To begin with, fake news doesn't used to be that convincing in the past. But nowadays, because of the growing state of the internet and the social media, random people could easily share the information to the public, whether the information that they share is true or not. Thirdly, why do people share fake news? From my perspective, the reason why people share fake news is because they want to sabotage someone or something. One of the recent examples of fake news is the Xinjiang cotton factory rumor in China. A Western news correspondent reported that the cotton that was used in the Western clothing brands like Nike and H&M from the factory in China is using labor work. Um, H&M and Nike sued Chinese government, and in response to the accusation, China has kicked out many Western clothing brands, even H&M. My advice is that don't get too convinced in any news, especially if it's related to a government issues. Always research the news first, and if it's true, then you can share it to others if you want to. Thank you. Would like to ask a question, it would be wonderful. Any question actually. Just don't have to question about presentation. Maybe Miss said this could be personal or maybe any question you like. Sorry.
Okay, I don't have any question, but I want to give my opinion too about regarding this issue. I agree that there's echoing, ya, Miss. It's weird hearing my my voice. Regarding this issue, I totally agree that a lot of people nowadays really easily to trust fake news, but they didn't looking for the real information that make us stupid somehow maybe, but and also our country will never what is this grow, or maybe yeah we will still in the state of developing, not the I forgot the name, negara maju, Miss. No, negara maju itu kan this oh developed country. That's true. Yeah, true. Yeah, that's the simple thing that I think we can spread the habit of not spread the fake news to others, especially in family group. Thank you.
Anybody else?
Yes, miss, I have a question for Yosia. Yosia, right?
Yeah.
So did you ever on the situation that you received that fake news and that at first you believed it, but in the middle of the situation you realize that, oh, is that a fake news? Did you ever
Um,
feel that?
Actually, no, but my friend ever did. If you still remember the election between Prabowo and Mr. Jokowi, and there is a rumor, right, where Jokowi is like um cheating about the election, and my friend almost got fooled by that news.
Okay, okay. I think that's all my questions.
Miss,
Okay. Um, I uh, okay. Regarding this topic, are you just want to make some like want to uh, uh, is this topic you want to research, or is it um is it like is it your job, your real job?
oh,
Are you a student or?
I'm still a high schooler, second
Oh,
grade actually.
okay. So you just research for this topic, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
just for this presentation.
Hmm. Okay. I was joining in the middle of your presentation, so I didn't uh, hear any full presentation of yours. So um, besides the fact, besides the news about the elections of Jokowi and Prabowo, what other fact news that you've heard that it's been very trend booming? Yes,
Yeah.
very.
Um, like what I just explained earlier, the Xinjiang cotton factory in China
Ah,
that was producing cotton for Western clothing brands like H&M and Nike in China.
mm,
And apparently, the news correspondent from Western news correspondent
mm,
reported that the Xinjiang factory cotton is using labor work, and because of that, the Western clothing brand like Nike and H&M, they sued Chinese government by using those labor work.
mm.
In exchange, the Chinese government um, banned many of those clothing brands from their own country.
Oh, okay. Just heard
Anyway,
about that.
Huh? Sorry?
Just heard about that.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, I have a question for James. So I've read about the Xinjiang forced labor case. I think it's not a fake news, but it's not also not a fact. It's still on debate in the internet forum. Is it a real or not? But why you think this is a fake news?
Because I have read some, not some, but I guess from CNN, and the CNN is a big news correspondent, and they said that the rumor is not true of whether the labor work was used on the factory.
I see. And then why H&M and Fila is banned from Xinjiang cotton?
Oh, sorry.
Why H&M and Fila products like banned the cotton from Xinjiang?
Because so sorry. Let me repeat this question. So you're asking is that why they use the cotton from Xinjiang factory?
As you told before, like H&M is banned a cotton from Xinjiang,
Mhm.
but this is a fake news. So why they ban the cotton from Xinjiang?
They banned the cotton from Xinjiang. I haven't heard about that actually, but um, from what I know is that H&M and Nike, that's one of the two of the Western clothing brand have been using cottons um, from Xinjiang factory.
Uh, that's all.